Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an angel of love, Hello Kitty. So let's get started. To draw this cute angel, let's first start by drawing Hello Kitty's eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. And I always make my Hello Kitty eyes nice and big. So hopefully you like that too. And then now that I have this oval here, I'm going to come right here on the top and draw a circle for a highlight and shade this all in. There. So now I have this. I'm going to go across nice and wide because Hello Kitty's face is wide. So we're going to come to the center of this eye and I'm just going to go across, say about, I'm just going to say about right here. And I'll just give myself a point, and from here I'm going to draw a curve for a closed eye. So nice and wide, nice wide curve, and I'll thicken it up because this angel is, what do you call that? Not blinking. Oh my gosh, I am lost for words. So sorry, I will think of it soon, but this eye is closed. And then we're going to draw some lashes right here. So just 2 lashes. There. Okay, and then we're going to come in between and say we're right here in the center. We're just going to draw a little oval for a nose. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw the, I've always found it a little bit easier if I just put in the bow first. So then it just, I can kind of figure out the face and the ears a little bit easier. So right above this eye, I'm going to go straight up, right above it, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw in this area, about right here. I'm just going to draw a big circle for the center of my bow. So right above the eye. There. And now that I have this in, I'm going to go ahead and draw the loops of our bow. So the bow is going to be at an angle. So let's see right here. Draw one loop. And then the other loop. So definitely turn your body if you need to, or the paper. And I got another loop in here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to come in here and draw another curve right here for some details. There. So now that I have that, then I can go ahead and say about right here, the center of this bow area, and I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve right about here. This area, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw the ears. So about right here, just easier for my hand. I'm going to bring it down and round off the tip and bring it down. So I'm still keeping in mind that I'm going to have to draw this curve around the eye. So it's about right here, and then now I can go ahead and draw a curve around my eye. There, and then the other side would be about the same width as the other side, so about right here it's going to pop out. There, so these 2 curves, and then in this area we're just going to imagine is we have ear popping out, so let's say about right here. Drag this point across, approximate, and round it off, and bring it in. There. It's always tricky, this one ear right here. It always looks off to me, but I'm just going to put that in here. Imagine coming down, and then your face would be right there. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to, draw the whiskers. Almost forgot. Where the eyes are, so say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just pop in 3 whiskers. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and thicken it up, and same thing on the other side, about right here. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home. Hello Kitty's face is very tricky to draw. You might find that you draw the ears first and then put in the bow and then this side and then put in the eyes. That might be a little bit easier for you, but just play around with it. See which one is easier, my way or maybe the other way. I've done both, but I found that putting the eyes first just makes it a little bit more accurate. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to bring it in a little bit more. So we're going to go under. We're drawing Hello Kitty's head. Bring it in to say about right. Here I'll stop because in this area I know Hello Kitty is holding a heart. So I'm going to come right here underneath this eye, and at this angle I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. So just pop it in this area. We're just going to draw this hand, so this arm. Just going to draw this curve right about here, and then in this area I'm just going to pop out a thumb and then continue this very rounded off like an oval or a very rounded off rectangle is what we're aiming to draw right here. There. And then in this area, just cut it off for the sleeve. Okay, so we got one arm, so whatever space you have left, then you can just go ahead and finish this. And then on this side, so holding a heart, so the other hand is going to be also at this angle, so say about right here underneath this eye, and I just want it to be directly across. So let's say the center of this hand, I'm going to go bring it across, say about right here, just give myself a point, and then from there I'm just going to draw these two curves, so about the same height as that hand, and then we're just going to draw this little hand like a bean shape. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come in here and draw a heart. So let's say about, I'm going to say it's just about right here. I'm going to go ahead and then bring this down, give myself another point about how far I want to bring my heart down, and I'll just go ahead and draw a curve for the top of my heart. Bring this through. There. Okay, so now the other side. Try my best, and we're going to bring it in here. Trying to match the other side. About right there. And then we're going to curve it and bring it in. There. Okay. Not too bad. We got it. There. Okay, so hopefully that helped you, that little tip. Just giving yourself these 2 points, you know, the center of your heart and the angle, and it just helps to draw it a little bit easier. There, so Hello Kitty is now holding a heart, and whatever space you have left, just finish it off. And then her dress. So right about here, underneath this eye, I'm just gonna go ahead and just draw angle line. So the other side would be about right here. You just want to center the dress, so bring it down a little bit more. And we just want to bring it down to the same height, so about right there. Then we can go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. And then from there, let's draw the feet. So we're having the feet cross. So this being your center, I'm going to go across. Go to the left a little bit, and about right here, I'm just going to pop in this curve. There. And then the other side, we'll just kind of tuck in. Now that I'm looking, I think I need to bring it out a little bit more. Okay, so much better. Just to center my feet a little bit better. And then from there, now that we have that, we need to draw the wings to make her an angel. So let's say about right here in this area, we're just gonna pop out a very simplified wing. So we're just gonna curve out. 1, and then 2, and then 3. So same thing on the other side. We're about right here. About same area, about right here. And then we're going to end right about here. So just keep that in mind. And we're going to go ahead and draw 1, 2, and 3. Approximate. So always come back and make any adjustments you need. There. And that is pretty much it. Maybe make this eye a little bit longer, if anything, and thicker. Oh, not blinking, winking. There, I finally got it. It took me a while. So Hello Kitty is winking. That's what the word I was trying to find. And that is pretty much it for my Draw So Cute version here of Hello Kitty winking as a love angel. I hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.